Good day, welcome to this video. For this video, we'll see the structure for HTML element because we need to understand this structure first before we start go see we write anything for Visual Studio or we don't download them. So now, the way HTML dey work now say it get the tag them as you see them. This one then are the most basic tag them for HTML page. We get the first one where they declare say na HTML you do am. As we see them say it go around, it cover all the thing there. Now so it dey because HTML go this one all this thing they inside the HTML. After now you get the head and the body. You see them two they directly inside this HTML head and body. Inside head you get title, inside body. Then whenever you put anything for now, but now the basic structure is for HTML. So you get the HTML element. After you get head and body. Head na play where they put instruction then. Body na play where you put the content where you want that for display and for website. As we go, you would see and understand the difference between these two elements there. So when we come for here for an HTML tag, when you look for this one for here HTML tag, you see say we get opening tag and closing tag. That's so HTML dey. You get, for instance, the P here is now paragraph. Means you want write paragraph, you have to put the P, you put this brackets then as you see so. Then you come for the closing tag. Now so the closing tag the B. You put the bracket, you put this slash, you put the P, you close them. Now you make computer for know say okay, D or P the end for here, it start for here, it end for here. Now in between the starting point and the closing point, you get two way you want put that inside. Now you they call on content. Now it's two way they enter inside here and the text that way you want that for show them for inside the paragraph. So you put the text inside here. All this one now, so now you they call them HTML element. So most HTML element get the opening and the closing tag because this one that they call them HTML tag, you get opening and closing. You get some few exception the way they get only this closing part the way they so we call them self-closing tag. When you look at me just there as you see them for here. So why would you go? You will see some example them for self-closing tag them where would you use them. So as we don't see and we don't understand this one now, if we go now for Visual Studio, start type code because we don't get a basic understanding for this. So my open Visual Studio. You see Visual Studio, remember our project one will be created. So now inside Visual Studio, if we remember quite all right, we see say we'll get HTML. We get HTML. We have to put that square bracket, we'll close them. When you close them, so Visual Studio, the complete automatically for you. After HTML, we get head, my right head, then we'll close them. HTML, the Visual Studio, they complete them directly. Next one will be inside head, we get title. So I write the title, then we'll close them. After head, you see say head, we will see when if you look on quite alright, you see the line where you did drum. So it be very important because it help you for read your code, and that's one of the reasons why I did choose Visual Studio. You don't see say for the beginning directly it open and it close. I put you the line so that means you see say it open for here, it close for here. According to two we see the next one we get come after a body. After head be closed within our body. Some will put body. Open and we close. So now we control save. We get a basic structure now for HTML. We'll go for our browser. When you come for this project one, we will be done create them. If we open them, you will see this index.html. You double click, you open for your browser. See, now it is for here, but you know they see anything. It is empty. It is empty because for inside body, if you remember quite alright, I be saying that for inside body where they put thing way they get for show for browser, and currently this body they empty. So if I come here, I just say hello. I just say hello, how are you? Inside here, you will save them. I don't press Ctrl X, you see that dot don't go. If I come and refresh, you see the text don't come for here. Hello, how are you? So by so doing, we'd already create our first HTML page. So see you for the next video where we'll actually go in deep or manipulate HTML. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe for our platform then, and if you get any question, you just leave a comment. We'll definitely answer you. Ciao, ciao.